Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can unlock badges in this game. So for instance, you want the phase 3 orange Sprunki. So just go here and then press E, and then as you can see it's locked. It says you have to win the parkour 5 times, find an infected eye in the labyrinth hidden in the mountains, and like this game. So you'll need diamonds to purchase some of these Sprunkis. So just go around here. And as you can see, there's a parkour going to be available in a few seconds here. I do need to complete 5 times of this to earn that. And if you go to the other Sprunkis, you can... Oh, why isn't my mouse working? Hello? You can see also what you need for it. Why can't I go? I'm like, why can't I join yet? So you just need to do the parkour. I'm not very good at BADGES, as you can see. Oh my god, why am I so bad? I just joined. Okay, but you'll need to complete the obby. I'm just going to, yeah, that's all. Oh my god, I'm like the worst at parkour. Oh my god. But I basically need to finish this 5 times to get that. Whoa, but yeah, that is it. I'm not going to even try. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.